वेलकम टू खट्टी मीठी बातें विद हेतल। हेलो फ्रॉम अदर साइड। लेके आ रही है खट्टी मीठी बातें। तो आज आज के शो में पॉपुलर डॉक्टर कपल आ रहे हैं, डॉक्टर अंकिता एंड डॉक्टर आलोक। First of all, let me thank all the frontline healthcare workers who are taking the risk and doing their duty. So we all owe you big time. So here we are on live My Dream TV USA. Thank you, My Dream TV USA. A doctor and model, rare combo. ये तो आपने लास्ट एपिसोड में देखा ही होगा. So you already met her last time. But this time she has come with her better half, Dr. Alok Alawar. अब डॉक्टर का इंट्रोडक्शन तो अपनी डॉक्टर अंकिता ही देगी. सो डॉक्टर्स आर एवरीडे हीरो. तो ऐसे ही कपल स्टोरी हम लेके आ रहे हैं खट्टे मीठे अंदाज में. So Dr. Ankita Singh is a board certified family physician currently practicing as a hospitalist at St. Luke's Hospital, Toledo, Ohio. She is in the front line providing care to patients during this epidemic. She also specializes in weight loss and aesthetic medicine. She grew up in Agra, India, and attended medical school at Manipal University. She is passionate about health and fitness. ये तो आपने लास्ट टाइम भी देखा होगा. So and she does modeling and stage shows. So भाई क्या बात है, मान गए जनाब डॉक्टर अंकिता सिंह. So here is Dr. Ankita. Hi Ankita.
Hi, Hetal. How are
How are
you?
you doing today?
Doing very good.
So,
Thank you.
so yep. So as you know, like lockdown has open up and इसके बारे में मैं आपका व्यू जानना चाहती हूँ. Like what are your views? What do you think?
So, well, लॉकडाउन अभी कुछ स्टेजेस में खत्म होगा. As I said earlier, मेरे लास्ट उसमें कि ये कुछ स्टेजेस में होगा. तो अभी एक स्टेज में अभी हम हैं और इट्स लाइक अ ट्रायल. विल सी कि कैसा जाता है. तो but the thing is that we have to come to that normal life. तो
Yes.
ये try करना ही पड़ेगा. द द चैलेंज इज कि हम उसमें भी कितना अपने आप को सेफ रख पाते हैं और जिससे कि ये लॉकडाउन जो हटा रहे हैं वो सक्सेसफुल हो. इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट कि हम लोग अभी भी थोड़ी बहुत सावधानी रखते रहें. बाहर जाएं तो मास्क पहने, थोड़ी सी डिस्टेंस रख लें जिससे कि
Yeah.
आप सोशल गैदरिंग भी कर पाए. बट ऐसा ना हो कि ये सारा के सारा फिर से सर्ज ऊपर चला जाए. सो वी हैव टू काइंड ऑफ सी एंड इवैल्यूएट एंड थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे अभी होगा. It's gonna take
Right.
some time,
So
but
basically,
hopefully things are getting better.
yes, yes. So hoping some positive. I'm very much optimistic, and definitely we have to follow the rules like social distancing, wearing gloves and mask, which we have to continue. So आपने सही बोला. So अंकिता, हमने तो ये लास्ट टाइम डिस्कस नहीं किया था, but I would definitely like to ask, like, have you treated any COVID-19 patient?
हाँ हेतल. तो I was actually first responder. First responder, well, not exactly first responder because उससे पहले ER physician होते हैं. But then yes, मैंने पेशेंट्स एडमिट किए हैं कोविड के और उन पेशेंट्स को ट्रीट किया है, देखा है उनको कैसे ठीक होते हुए भी देखा है, वर्स होते हुए भी देखा है. बट फॉर्चुनेटली मोस्टली पेशेंट्स अच्छा ही, मोस्टली पेशेंट्स दे गॉट बेटर, दे इम्प्रूव विद टाइम. So I know it's scary, but if you treat a lot of patients, so most of the time they do get better. So we are
Right.
scared, no, because I mean the people with high risk, they are at high risk, but most of the patients they do get better. So it's very hopeful. और अभी सिचुएशन काफी ठीक हो गई है बिकॉज वी आर प्रिपेयर्ड नाउ.
right,
इनिशियली बहुत डर था, वी डिड नॉट नो कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या कैसे क्या किया जाए. नाउ एवरीबॉडी इज प्रिपेयर्ड, रेडी है.
ready
तो
है. So
अब लाइफ
basically,
इज मच बेटर
yeah, yeah,
हॉस्पिटल में भी.
right. So basically, like, like, if you see in terms of like how they are dealing with like emotionally and physically. So what do you think? Like emotionally, they are definitely they have accepted the fact, but physically, like how they are coping with it. I mean, patient. I'm talking about.
तो या इनिशियली आई थिंक एज आई सेड, इनिशियली जब ये स्टार्ट हुआ था ना, तो वी डिडंट नो कि क्या करें, कहाँ से क्या चीजें आएंगी, किसको टेस्ट करें, किसको नहीं करें, कहाँ से चीजें लाएं. तो वो इतना केओस था उस टाइम
Right.
कि बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दैट केओस लोग थोड़े से घबराए हुए थे. But Abhi, or I have seen people like really, I mean, I can tell my experience. I was pretty fine with, all those things. Ki theek hai, I'm going to be fine. I have good immunity or sari cheezein hain. But there were days when I got scared too.
I can
Because,
understand you all are
right?
in.
Because you're seeing patients and all those COVID patients, everybody's talking about this. And, you wear everything, but instead, still, it's so hard, right? To
Right.
prevent all that exposure because you're touching everything, you're talking to so many people. तो कई बार ऐसा हुआ कि you're just getting short of breath. I was like, oh, where is it coming from? You get those pseudo symptoms, like you
Right.
get, you're tired, you just feel something, and then But yes, so I can tell you कि emotionally it's been a little bit difficult for me too. Like few days when I would
Right.
think I was more worried about my family, right?
Right.
So it's
Yeah.
more about your family. You know that you can deal with it and you're strong, but when it comes to your family, then you
Mhm.
get worried.
So तुम्हारा मतलब जो वर्क स्केड्यूल है बेसिकली उसमें कुछ चेंजेस हुआ है क्या बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दिस पैंडेमिक सो आर यू वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम और लाइक हाउ इट इज लाइक स्केड्यूल वाइज.
So because I do inpatient, मेरा कोई वर्क schedule इतना change नहीं हुआ है. It's still the same.
राइट.
But because of COVID, we have noticed number has gone down.
ओके.
So yeah, so we are trying to avoid patient visits in the hospital. तो उसके लिए क्या हो रहा है कि जो आउट पेशेंट के डॉक्टर्स हैं, दे आर डूइंग मोर telemedicine to prevent those visits, unnecessary visits, and prevent that exposure. So it has helped a lot.
That's true.
So it's going
Right.
pretty good. Yes.
सो अंकिता ये तो हुआ चलो हम ये तो बातें कभी खत्म होने वाली है ही नहीं कोविड के बारे में मतलब आई वुड से लाइक जो भी सिचुएशन है दैट वी कैन नॉट चेंज इट बाय आवरसेल्फ बट मैं एक क्वेश्चन जरूर पूछना चाहती हूँ कि व्हाट डू यू like how do you what do you like to do in your spare time like you must be getting some kind of like spare time so what do you do?
Yeah, well, it's totally different from my, other part. I have different personalities. I'm still figuring out which one is like true, one fun. I cannot pick one personality. So, anyways,
Right.
yeah. So, I like to. I have lots of interest, and I'm a creative person by nature. So I do a lot of other things other than medicine.
Right.
So that's. I love outdoors, so we do a lot of outdoor. I'm sporty, so I always love sport, music, dance, art, paint.
Oh,
I think
dance.
I think if I have to summarize anything creative, um, I just love it. So that's what I do all the time. It's just I need more time, I guess.
तो और भी एक पूछना चाहती हूँ जैसे सबके रोल मॉडल होते हैं सो ये बताओ कि हु इज योर रोल मॉडल और इंस्पिरेशन?
Inspiration, yes. So role model. Again, जैसे मैंने बोला ना कि इतनी सारी पर्सनालिटीज हो गई हैं मेरी कि एक रोल मॉडल भी ढूंढना मुश्किल हो रहा है.
अरे
One role model who can do like everything.
that's
So
true.
So, right. So there are, I mean, I get inspired by so many people, and I have been. Uh, like, but what I feel like is it's just funny, but then what I feel like I'm gonna be probably my own role model
और है,
someday.
मुझे याद है लास्ट एपिसोड में आपने बहुत अच्छा गाना गाया था, तो मैं कुछ थोड़ा थोड़ा भी नहीं, मैं तो बहुत कुछ सुनना चाहती हूँ, बट अपने को टाइम अलाउ नहीं करेगा, बट कुछ झलक सा एक छोटा सा गाना गा दो।
Sure. I think मुझे लग रहा है नहीं तो तुम्हारे शो में मुझे गाने का मौका मिल रहा है, because otherwise I don't even sing. Like I sing, but it's just you need some kind of some motivation. तो वो motivation
राइट।
नहीं मिल पाता. So anyways, let's see. Let's just thinking which song should I sing.
ओके।
There's one song I really like. The composer. दिल चरखी की एक तो डोरी, दिल चरखी की एक तो डोरी, सूफी इसका रंग है, इसमें जो तेरा ख्वाब पिरोया, इसमें जो तेरा ख्वाब पिरोया, नींदे बनी पतंग, दिन भरता नहीं आंखें रजती नहीं, दिल भरता नहीं आंखें रजती नहीं, चाहे जितना भी देखती जाऊं, वक्त जाए मैं रोक न पाऊं, तू थोड़ी देर और ठहर जा सोनिया, तू थोड़ी देर और ठहर जा.
वाह वाह, क्या बात है, मजा आ गया। मैं स्पेशली आई एम गोइंग टू विजिट ओहायो सून। होपफुली थिंग्स
Anytime. I would love
on
to.
better, या। सो अच्छा, अब मुझे और एक याद आया कि सबको, मुझे पता नहीं है कि अटेंशन सबको चाहिए या नहीं, बट आई डेफिनेटली आई वुड लाइक टू गेट अटेंशन फ्रॉम माय हस्बैंड। सो चलो ये तो मेरी बातें हुई। सो हाउ वुड समवन गेट योर स्पेशल अटेंशन? क्या तुम कुछ मतलब बताना चाहती हो? डेफिनेटली आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क अबाउट यू।
Okay, very very interesting question. So it just depends कि किस context में बात हो रही है. Like किस तरह
राइट।
के well, I think like anybody, well, yeah, I mean, anybody charming, anybody smart, cute would take anybody's attention, right? But yeah, other than that, I think the true attention that would stay, like तुम्हारी attention जाती है, but sometimes it just stays, right?
या।
उसके लिए, but I feel like somebody who is authentic, like somebody is true, somebody is real. तो वो एक जो personality होती है ना, वो reflects when you are so comfortable in your own skin, the other person can see it. And
यस।
that's is very attractive about, I think, any person when you're comfortable in your skin.
यस। टोटली एग्री। स्पेशली हस्बैंड का मतलब तुम क्या कहना चाहते हो? हाउ डू यू लाइक गेट अटेंशन फ्रॉम?
Oh, okay. So, in that context, well, I think the first time when I saw him, मैं तो the first thing जो मैंने बोला ना,
राइट।
cute, handsome, and all those things, I think उससे मेरी attention वहाँ पे गई. But of course, और चीजें बाद में देखी, so that it took some time to just keep that attention
राइट।
to like stay. मैंने बोला ना attention stay करती है. So
यस।
that attention stays when you have some other qualities to keep the person interested. तो वो चीजें धीरे धीरे हुई, लेकिन जो पहली चीज थी वो तो वही थी कि I just saw him and I was like, wow, I really.
That's so cool. So recently, like, we have new family member, like we have addition. So I have puppies and I'm so much enjoying with him. It's kind of stress relief for me. So, what is your biggest pet peeve? Like,
Yeah. So that reminds me of something. Um, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. It's so hard to find one, like pick one.
Mhm.
लेकिन हाँ, I think if somebody eats or eats food from my plate or whatever
Oh,
without my permission, तो
uh-huh.
मुझे ना I got irritated or it's really something. मुझे बड़ा हो जाता है. तो it's true with my husband too. कि अगर मैं खा रही हूँ तो प्लीज मुझसे पूछ लो and then don't just eat like whatever you like. Just मुझे पूछो पहले.
Oh.
तो that's so funny. That's so funny. I just get irritated. So that's so funny that what I started doing was like especially like desserts के साथ he loves desserts. So वो
Right.
होता था कि हम लोग लेके बैठते थे तो it's always be like कि वो सारा खत्म हो जाएगा जब तक मेरा तीसरा टर्न आएगा. It will be
Oh.
already over. तो उसके बाद मैंने सेट कर दिया कि this part is yours and this part is mine and don't touch my part.
I totally
तो
understand where it is coming from.
so
So,
but I had to
uh,
do
yep.
that.
So, Ankita, I know you're from Agra, Delhi, and Hindi is your language. So, um, do you speak any other language besides Hindi? Obviously, English, yes. But other than that,
Oh yeah, yes. The more I speak the most important language, which is
uh-huh.
body language.
Come again?
Body language.
Oh, okay, cool.
You can you can speak as many languages as you want. सारी बोल सकते हो. अगर तुम body language नहीं बोल रहे हो ठीक से, तो फिर problem है.
Oh, okay, okay. So body
बाकी
language, I mean, you can easily make out like without talking also, right?
हाँ, yes, yes. Body language is the most important language. कुछ भी
Yeah,
बोलो, कई बार होता है कि हम
you
लोग
cannot
literally
speak, but
you cannot understand them, लेकिन
yes,
एक तो उनके पास से जो सूदिंग सी body language और vibes आ रही होती है, you actually feel it, you can see it.
right. So
So
some,
that's why this
हम्म,
is the most important language.
और
I just
डॉक्टर के
speak
लिए ये
Hindi and
बहुत
English.
जरूरी है, राइट? डॉक्टर के लिए भी ये बहुत जरूरी है. कभी कभी
Yes.
पेशेंट्स बोल नहीं पाते हैं, so
For
then you can,
everybody,
yeah,
का भी
definitely.
ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन हो रहा है और आजकल लेकिन ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन थोड़े कम हो गए हैं. हो सकता है कि हमें इतनी
So
जरूरत ना
we
पड़े.
were expected like this kind of lifestyle, especially.
Yes.
So, what is the most interesting thing you have read or seen, especially this week?
इससे पहले कि मैं एक क्वेश्चन आंसर करूं,
Okay,
कुछ जवाब कुछ समथिंग यू हैव टू टेल अबाउट योरसेल्फ टू.
okay.
टेल मी अबाउट योर पेट. ओके.
Tell about what?
गिव मी टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ टू. कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग मजेदार.
जैसे
देन आई
अभी
विल आंसर अदर क्वेश्चंस.
मुझे वीडियोस बनाने का बहुत पैशन है. लाइक आई लाइक टू शूट, आई लाइक टू डू टिकटॉक, आई लाइक एक्टिंग,
You do TikTok?
dancing. Oh,
Interesting.
yes, yes. I just do it for myself because I just like it. Acting is my passion. And obviously, like, different creativity. I see the creativity and some ideas also I have in my mind. So I like to apply. And luckily, my friends, like, they are supporting me. So I'm so fortunate that I can do whatever, like, whatever my creativity, and people are, especially friends, are supporting me. So that's what I
Very
do nowadays. And definitely work तो होता ही है. 8 to 4, I go to clinic, especially lab. I go every day. So there also I enjoy, like, people interaction. That is what I definitely enjoy. So I don't feel alone. I never feel like, alone. I'm always busy doing something. I cannot just sit and ideal. Oh, I cannot just sit and watch TV. For me, like, if I want to watch a movie, then I usually go to theater. There I can sit for 3 hours and I can watch it. But at home, oh my gosh. So that is about, like, it's about me. but I would, you are here, so I would
Well,
like to. Mhm.
मुझे लगता है कि मुझे मेरा रोल मॉडल मिल गया है. We
You
have lots of
multi
similarities. So I think
personality, yeah,
you're gonna be
multi
my role
talent.
model.
You yourself is multi-talented because video, like I have seen your video. You do painting, you do model walk, like you sing, you dance, what not.
I try.
So,
It's just, I
and
think it's a
especially,
Gemini problem.
and we had good communication, like we had good conversation on the phone, and I always enjoy टॉकिंग टू यू. ये तो अपनी बातें हुई है, बट अब तो हम दर्शकों के सामने हैं, सो डेफिनेटली आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू. सो इफ यू कुड हैव लंच विथ वन पर्सन अलाइव और डेड, who would that be?
Okay. Interesting question. Well, I don't want to have lunch with any, dead person. I don't watch horror movies. मुझे डर लगता है और
Uh-huh.
मैं इन सबसे दूर रहती हूँ. लेकिन yeah, I really like Oprah Winfrey. तो अगर मुझे कभी ऐसा मौका मिला तो मैं उसके साथ में लंच करना चाहती हूँ. Because she has a lot to teach you, a lot.
Mhm.
So, and I think she's one of my inspiration. Yes, there are few girls actually inspire me a lot. Oprah Winfrey, then Priyanka Chopra, for sure, and then also Deepika. So all these girls, इनमें सारी चीजों में सब में ये common है कि all these girls they have come out of their comfort zone. And it's
Right.
not easy. It's not easy. It's just for everybody. If you all see all these characters, all these girls, the it was not easy for any of them. तो उन्होंने definitely अपना comfort zone छोड़ा और अपने passion को follow किया. So and
Mhm.
that's very inspiring for Deepika. One thing which was really inspired me was talking about her depression. In public.
Right. Yes.
मोस्ट टाइम जो आर्टिस्ट होते हैं और स्पेशली बॉलीवुड में और एक्चुअली कहीं भी आर्टिस्ट होते हैं उन पे मेजॉरिटी द लॉट ऑफ देम दे एक्चुअली स्ट्रगल विद डिप्रेशन एंड एंजाइटी स्पेशली डिप्रेशन बट
Right.
किसी में गट्स नहीं होते आगे आके बात करने की तो शी वाज द वन एक्चुअली केम आउट एंड स्प्रेड द अवेयरनेस सो इट वाज वेरी इंस्पायरिंग और प्रियंका चोपड़ा ऑल वी नो राइट शी हैज जस्ट डन अ लॉट उसने हर जगह अपने उससे करके एंड आई एम श्योर कि शी हैज स्ट्रगल्ड अ लॉट ओपरा विनफ्री आई मीन व्हाट टू से अबाउट हर वो तो बहुत कुछ किया है तो yes I think I answered your earlier question.
Yes, yes. So, do you read book? I mean, book on a particular book, or like reading habits.
Oh yes,
Um,
that's in yeah actually ये कोरोना के टाइम पर I agree
yeah, that is what
बहुत
I
सारी
was going
प्रॉब्लम्स भी
to
हुई
ask.
है पर
Yes,
इसमें ना बहुत लोगों को मौका दिया एक चांस दिया है
right.
टू फाइंड आउट टू फाइंड योरसेल्फ एक्चुअली कई
Mhm.
बार होता है ना कि हम लोग जिंदगी की रोज की भाग दौड़ में इतना बिजी हो जाते हैं कि कभी पता ही नहीं होता कि अपने आप को नहीं ढूंढ पाते खो देते हैं अपने आप को समवेयर राइट ऐसा
Right.
हो तो ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें थी जो मैं हमेशा करना चाहती थी और लगता था कि ये मुझे करनी चाहिए कभी करनी चाहिए बट इट वाज जस्ट ऑलवेज वर्क और कभी समझ नहीं आया तो अभी कोरोना के टाइम पर आई डिड गेट सम टाइम टू do certain other things that I could never do. So you spoke about TikTok, like that's one of the thing I
Right.
did, and it was
Okay.
just fun.
Okay. Okay.
The other thing about books, yes. So I'm kind of reading it. I have not read it yet completely, but there's a book it's called Secret.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's very interesting. मैं इसके बारे में पढ़ी हूँ and lots of human psychology, like books
Right.
related to human behavior and human psychology.
Right.
It's just so fascinating. It just
Mhm.
fascinates me.
Right.
So I think somewhere, as a physician, as a doctor too, you do want to know human psychology and all that. So I'm reading
Yes.
those books.
Yes. So that's what we have also learned. Like in homeopathy, we have to obviously, like, physical symptoms are there, but we do take mental symptoms also, because that is what we believe. So psychology is my favorite subject too. So चलो तो बहुत ही सीरियस भी बातें हो गई है, कुछ खट्टी मीठी भी बातें हो गई है, बट अभी मस्ती भरी बातों में डॉक्टर आलोक के साथ आते हैं. सो डॉक्टर अंकिता will introduce her better half. Is he around?
That's what I'm trying to find out. My better half is never around, seems like. He's always busy with something.
He's behind the camera. Like my husband is also always, not always behind the camera, because he always take pictures, shoot for me, do TikTok for me, but he's always behind the camera.
Yeah,
So
he's
definitely,
he's a perfect hubby. I think I'm sure he's busy feeding kids, and I think he's coming.
oh, cool. So, so I would like to,
So,
I mean,
yeah, so I'm gonna introduce my sweet and loving hubby. So he's coming here. So he
Namaskar.
Namaskar, how are you?
Hi, Dr. Alok. How are
he's
you
the
doing?
dentist.
I'm doing well. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. So आपकी
तुम्हारी
बेटा,
तारीफ कर दी मेरी इतनी तारीफ तो बहुत दिनों से नहीं सुनी.
you both are lovely couple, very beautiful
Thank
couple,
you very much. Thank you.
model, model couple, I would say. Yep. So अब अपनी better half introduce करेगी.
So, well, other than इनकी qualification, other than being my husband, the other qualification है he's a dentist.
Uh-huh.
He's very good, passionate about his work, and yeah, and then you can just go ahead and just ask whatever you want to, and he will
Sure.
be happy.
Dentist, like how, I mean, it was your passion. Like, how did you selected this particular field? Like, it was automatically, or like, I would like to know from you. So,
Yeah, I always wanted to do something in healthcare, but I was also very interested in doing something with my something creative, and dentistry actually gives you an opportunity to do both. You can be creative with your hands. You can do things, see the results right away, and at the same time, it's in the healthcare field. So I just was kind of gravitated towards it, and was always interested in doing something.
Yeah, we share that quality.
Right. Plus,
so
it's
you
good.
find
I mean, I'm a dentist. She's a physician, so
busy.
we don't
So
know
you're
much about each other's professions, so it keeps the arguments at the minimum. So
so basically
We are complete health setup.
yeah, all in the family.
I can see all ages, and he can actually fix teeth, and so we are like perfect setup. One stop shop.
one that.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. That is wonderful. So schedule basically दोनों का कैसे रहता है? Like it is kind of busy. How do you like? पहले तो ये बताओ कि who handles the kids very well?
So all for everything, the credit goes to her.
Oh no!
But
you don't have to lie here. You can be honest.
So I think it helps, and that was another reason why we have a good balance, because you can have a set schedule where I work certain number of days a week, and then we try and coordinate to where when I'm working, she is off, and when she's working, I kind of try and take time off, so it works out well. So दोनों आपस में so दोनों के crazy hours नहीं है, so that helps.
But he definitely has a very good lifestyle. I have to say that no calls, no weekends. Right?
Yes.
So मेरा जो बड़ा बेटा जो I have two boys, so my older one says that when he was young, like he was probably 4 years old, he said कि मुझे तो मामा जैसा नहीं बनना है, मुझे तो dentist बनना है. I saw that. I don't want to be on call. I don't want to work at night.
How old he is, Ankita? Your elder one?
So 10 and 3.
Oh, okay. So अभी serious question पूछूंगी, but serious मत हो जाना.
Serious question.
So what one thing would what one thing you would like to change about your hubby? And same question मैं आपको भी पूछूंगी.
So, okay. Um, so I believe in the philosophy, wife is always right. So I don't think I could, I would want to change anything.
Wow.
I think, yeah, I feel we're truly, I mean, I am truly blessed. I mean, she
No,
does.
he has given up.
So,
That's
नहीं,
a
ये, I had,
यहाँ पे
I was coached that you have to say this in front of the camera. No, I'm just kidding. So,
अभी बात से बहुत होने
but,
वाला है. Yeah.
one thing, if I could change about Ankita is that I think she gets very, uh, if she wants to do something, she gets into it wholeheartedly, and I think she sometimes tend to take it seriously, where it is not always about you should take
It's
your
not
work
always
seriously,
about
but you kind of have to. You almost have to be in a position where you're not affected by it, to where you do your best, but not let if the results work in your favor, great. If they don't, you should be a little bit detached. So but she being who she is,
तो
she
ये
takes
अब
it very
गीता का
seriously.
उपदेश मुझे आया है. गीता का उपदेश, कर्म करो फल की इच्छा नहीं करो.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
That's what he's trying to say. मैंने सुन लिया.
She's perfectionist, I guess, right? You want everything perfect or maybe well managed.
I would say well managed, but I think, and she manages to do that. Hats off to her. So she does a lot.
Well, there's something like similar to this. I mean, that I wanna change is like he's obsessed about. Yeah, actually, he's not. Well, yeah, he's obsessed about. क्या बोलूं? He has to have everything. He's obsessed about organization. He has to have everything so organized and clean and neat and clean, so that I mean it's just too much sometimes. तो मैं कहती हूँ कि कोई बात नहीं, just relax, enjoy क्योंकि घर में भी थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर होना
होता है.
actually it's sign of liveliness.
Absolutely.
Yeah. OCD तो नहीं है ना. OCD.
अगर lively हो तभी तो घर में होगा, right? चीजें थोड़ी इधर होंगी.
So no, I think so.
So he makes sure कि घर बिल्कुल perfect उसमें है, shape में.
Right.
Actually.
Right.
That's kind of one of the professional. It helps me in my profession too to be organized. So it just, I feel, I sometimes get too overboard with it and bring it home. But I learn to learn to tone it down. So yes.
चलो भाई सीक्रेट तो पता चल रहा है अभी. So do you do it for what do you do for fun, or like for fun, like what do you do, both of you,
Hobbies,
like
fun.
together activities?
Yeah, actually we enjoy time together. We do a lot of things together. ये एक हमारी बहुत अच्छी चीज है कि बहुत सारी चीजें हमारी like similar है, बहुत सारी hobbies हमारी similar है. Like travel करना, he loves traveling and I enjoy it too. तो उसमें मुझे कुछ करना नहीं पड़ता. He does everything because he loves it, and I'm an adventurous thing. So it's like कोई भी ऐसी adventurous चीजें होती हैं, he likes doing it too, and I like it. तो हमें हमेशा होता है कि we are never like, I don't let him go. Like he does do his own things, लेकिन मुझे हमेशा होता है कि we are always together. कोई sport भी खेलना है, कहीं कोई ऐसी adventurous activity ही करनी है, travel ही करना है, तो हम लोग we give each other very good company.
Yeah, I think that's a shared passion for both of us. So we do enjoy traveling, and
right.
Whenever we get time, we try and. So you can imagine that this situation is kind of it's hard on everybody, but it's especially hard on we've been homebound for quite a while, so that's something we definitely do, and I mean this too will pass, so
So ये ऐसे कभी होता है क्या, like how do you handle it when your family doesn't approve of a decision you have made? So आप कैसे मतलब स्पेशली डॉक्टर आलोक को मैं ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि कभी होता है लाइक यू नो डिसीजन टुगेदर आप ले लेते हो बट देन आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स लाइक हाउ डू यू हैंडल इट so like when your family doesn't approve your decision.
Well, sometimes, कई बारी, I think just like anything else, you have to kind of just look at the pros and cons of a certain situation and the decision that you're taking, and as long as आप अपनी सारा अच्छी इंटेंशन से और अपना सारा जो आपके पास जो उस टाइम जो उस चीज के बारे में आपको जो पता है उस सबको इवेल्युएट करके अगर आप डिसाइड कर रहे हैं, so then I think I'm a firm believer that if you just evaluate the facts at hand and you decide one way or the other. I think biggest thing is that we are understanding and we acknowledge that her decision sahi nahi hota, but if it is done with good intention and with without any malice, then अगर वो चीज जैसा आपने चाहा था वैसा नहीं भी हुई, so I think we are accepting there are certain things that are not in your hands, so you have to kind of just let go at a certain point in time and let the destiny play itself. But I think we consult each other, we take each other's input, and then and sometimes you just have to take a leap of faith. I mean, you just have to just evaluate everything and then just go with your gut feeling, and hope that the result would be what you wanted it to be.
Yeah, I think it's important that whatever you decide, you have to believe into it. And just be single-minded, like not be double-minded. So जहाँ doubt आ जाता है ना decision में, problem वहीं पे शुरू हो जाती है.
So you don't second guess yourself. एक बार decide कर लिया, so then you just go ahead with it.
Right, beautiful thoughts. I loved it. So I would also like to follow the same. So और एक मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ कि इससे मुझे I don't know whether you do you read your horoscope मस्ती के लिए या like मुझे तो बहुत मजा आता है. हालांकि मैं सीरियसली नहीं लेती हूँ.
सिली सी चीजें वो कई बार पता ही नहीं होता. It's so generalized, right?
Yeah.
But you just obsessed, right? वो होता है कि नजर चली जाती है, wanna see it.
Right.
कभी auspicious चीजें करनी है तो do you believe like if you would like to open your clinic or whatever, like any precious thing or you would like to do, so do you consult some like ज्योतिषी हमारे इसमें बोलते हैं, so do you follow that? Do you follow horoscope?
Well, I mean, I think we do follow a certain thing. I think everything जो भी कोई अच्छा कुछ कोई शुभ चीज करनी हो या कुछ कोई शुरुआत करनी हो, so you want to do it with a prayer and with and consider कि कि आप इस लायक हैं कि आप वो कर पा रहे हैं, so that itself is a blessing कि you आप में कुछ सामर्थ्य है कुछ कर पाने का, and you are going ahead and with what you had planned on doing. So I think we are always grateful, and I think we always feel कि we believe in the divine power and that he has given us the good wisdom and the strength to do what we're doing. उससे ज़्यादा
I think yes. To answer your questions, yes, we don't follow horoscope much.
Right.
No, we just look at it just for fun. क्योंकि what I believe is, I think अगर देखा जाए, actually अगर if you read all those books, right? गीता ही है, I follow गीता too. कर्म को सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट माना गया है.
Right.
तो अगर आपका कर्म सही है, आपको उसके अकॉर्डिंग चीजें मिलेंगी, और आपकी उसमें क्या लिखा हुआ है, that's one thing, but that's not everything. You can still change your fate. You can still change so many things अपने कर्म से.
So I think
that's what I believe.
Right. So we are जैसे जो हमारे यू नो धर्म में भी जो बताया गया है कि कर्म प्रधान जो है, सो यू हैव टू, your destiny can change if you're provided you're willing to put in the hard work and and dedication that's needed to make something happen. So uh, I mean, yes, destiny does have an impact, but I think जो प्रधानता है वो कर्म की है.
I think something on those lines because it's very interesting. मैं इन सब चीजों के बारे में कुछ थोड़ी स्टडी भी कर रही हूँ and I just like all those topics. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि जब when you are born, जब आप पैदा होते हो, then you आपकी डेस्टिनी आपके साथ में आती है, जो आपको पंडित जी बताते हैं कि ऐसा 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 होगा. तो up to certain extent that is true. और मैं उसमें बिलीव करती हूँ क्योंकि बहुत
So it is a science basically, yes.
तो उसमें क्या होता है, बट द थिंग इज कि आप जो डेस्टिनी लेके आए हो ना, वो आपके पुरानी चीजों पे डिपेंड होके है.
Yes.
तो वो जो पैदा हुआ आपके सामने है, बट देन यू कैन नॉट बी होपलेस बिकॉज वो जो डेस्टिनी है कैन बी चेंज्ड. कोई बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है वो छोटी हो सकती है विद योर आपके एक्शंस की वजह से. कोई छोटी चीज है वो बड़ी हो सकती है अगर आपने एक्शंस ठीक नहीं किए. तो कहने का मतलब है कि आप अपनी डेस्टिनी को अच्छा बुरा कर सकते हैं. Can change your fate.
Thank you so much. You both are like, made for each other. Beautiful couple, wonderful thoughts, and I have so much enjoyed our conversation and hoping that our audience, they must have enjoyed. And once again, thank you so much, Dr. Ankita and Dr. Alok, for coming on this show, Khatti Meethi Baatein, and keep doing the awesome work you are doing for the community.
Thank you.
So thank you once again.
Thank you.
And thank
so
you.
much.
Ankita was like, wondering like how Dr. Alok would react for this. But I'm so glad and especially listening to your wonderful thoughts. I'm so much impressed. And thanks again, Dr. Alok. Definitely, Ankita, now she is my friend.
Yes,
Absolutely.
we share so many things.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
Never mind.
We have shared so much. So thanks once again. And thank you, thank you, Rashmi ji and Janak ji and My Dream TV USA for this platform. हमें उम्मीद है कि ये शो आपको जरूर पसंद आया होगा. लेटेस्ट वीडियो के लिए देखते रहिए माई ड्रीम टीवी यूएसए और पसंद आने पर लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा. Thanks for watching My Dream TV USA. Thanks again. Thanks, Dr. Ankita, Dr. Alok. See you sometime soon.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Enjoy your evening. Namaste.